Here is the first alarm clock I've ever owned. It's a Micronta model 63790 and it's from 1983. I remember my grandfather giving this to me sometime around Thanksgiving of 1983, and it's been in my bedroom ever since. It's got the alarm, it's got a projection that shines the time display on the ceiling, and of course there's the buttons for setting the time and the alarm. Mash that button there and it shows the minute and the second. Now this is the first day it's had the projection working on it in quite some time. For some reason, I cut the cord off of the original wall wart. And I'm guessing that's the date code of 83/31, 31st week of 1983. Just so happened, just on a chance, I was looking on the internet. I just typed in that model number, and that's the first thing that came up. An exact replacement. Exactly the same. And the interesting part about it, made the same week and the same year as my original one. So I was really happy to find that. Here's the back of it. There's a close-up of the label. And there's where the power plugs in to run the projection light. Oh, and here's the top of it. There's the snooze button. You can kind of make out the time display if I don't get the light bulb right in the lens. It may be hard to see on camera, but I'm pointing at the ceiling and I can see 658 in the viewfinder. So that is still working. It'd kind of be nice to have that working again. If I wake up in the middle of the night, I can see what time it is pretty easily. Okay, I got the alarm set for 7:01 p.m. Now we'll turn it on. Another interesting characteristic of this clock is it chirps on the hour. So we're getting pretty close. That little chirp. Then it also has the alarm indicator on in the upper left corner that flashes with the colon. So we'll have an alarm in about 45 seconds. And also, when the functions are turned on, they have a little green dot indicating if they're on or off. That's just painted on there. That's not LED or anything. Okay, get close. That's the alarm. Snooze button works. Go ahead and turn the alarm off. So good to have everything working on the old Micronta.